He's a wild Pitbull. On the loose. On the loose. The newest member of the channel. She's very hyper right now. This is the most hyper she's been. But you guys know Cliff. No, we just got her. She's gonna be on the channel. Every video we do, she's gonna be in it. So more adventures with the Suburban and then Tahoe. She's gonna be in the video doing it. She's super hyper. She's 7 weeks old. This is a parenting test for me and Nancy. You don't like that, do you? So I gotta carry her like this because my girlfriend has forced me to carry her like this. But look at her. Get down. Show me you can run. Show me you can run. Show me. Everyone, meet Agave. Look at you. Oh, 7-week-old pit. Little pitty. Where are you going? Where are you going? She likes to be under. Oh, where are you going? Hmm? She's gonna be on the channel. We're gonna be doing everything together. I'm gonna teach her to deliver wrenches to people. Yep, under my butt again. Under my butt again. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You're such a big girl. Nope. I'm not gonna let you have it. There it is. There it is. Look at you, Agave, blue nose. Yeah, it'll be so nice. We're gonna be so nice. But yeah, this is the newest member of the channel, the new intern, the new support animal. Pitbull adventures. Look at her. Look at her just taking over the world. So, no biting, right there. I'm gonna teach you not to bite. Nope, roof of your mouth, roof of your mouth. That's right. Lesson number 1. But yeah, put her down. Almost did a front foot. Montage of stuff with her and videos. Right now she's 7 weeks and 7.4 pounds.
I got the little sniffles, so I don't want to get him anything.
No, I don't want to hold her. This is your secret set.
No, I'm surprised she's not growing.
She's so cute.
Just a little bit, because remember she needs to keep the scent of the puppies. Just make sure she can see her puppy.
Your puppy's right here. Don't worry. I'm not going to take away your puppy yet.
You not yet? You're such a good mama, Steve.
You are doing amazing. Look, I'm taking good care of your baby. I promise. I'm taking good care of your baby. You want your baby back? Here you go. You can have your baby back.
Draco, get away.
Come on, Draco.
Draco, get away. Draco.
I should have got that one thing was like dial out probably for bitches. Have your people call my people and use their phone number.
That's okay. Be nice, Cliff. to fit in my hand. Look at you now. You want a stick? Alright, fuck that.
Agave.
There's a... Oh my gosh, she's trying. Do it again. Arr! Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Row. 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 What the fuck?